Hola senors and hola senoritas. You've heard that before. Starting the vlog. Where we're going? Nobody knows. But we're at the airport, East Midlands.
We're at the airport, mate.
You're at the airport.
We're at the pub.
We're still at the airport.
We're at the pub.
But we're at the pub. Waiting for dinner.
We're at the airplane now.
Can you see airplanes out there? Says Lady Lace. She gets to the airport and she shouts, I can see an aeroplane. Like, yeah, you are at the airport, Lace.
Saw a purple one, didn't you?
He's vlogging me and I'm vlogging him. We'll see you when we get there. Salut.
Hello.
Salut.
Hello.
Sharpie maniacs.
Say hi, Lace. We've got a stowaway on board. Who's the stowaway?
Kinder.
It's me. It's me. I've not got a passport. I haven't. They've let me on though. I sneaked in Lucy's bag. I'm here. It's all right. We're good.
Hi guys, welcome. We are in Lanzarote this time. We have literally just got to the hotel and checked in, and we're going to give you a quick room tour while it's all tied in before the kids have got it messed up. So, this is where the kids will be sleeping. One on there, one on the bottom. Who's shotgun what?
I shotgun on the that's this one.
No, I think she did when she came in, to be fair.
Yeah, that's fair.
It's quite a nice room, to be honest. And look
Steps
at
all over mine.
and look for this for complimentary. Got a bowl of fruits and complimentary bottle of wine. Fair play to him.
We have a telly in our room. Oh, yeah.
This is called the THB Tropical Island. So has anyone stayed here before, please comment below. If anyone wants to stay here, please comment below. This is the bedroom. We get complimentary bathrobes, sweets. Phone to call my mummy to prank call her. You better not do that again. And then we're going to here. Oh my god, I thought someone was here. It's the mirror. Hi, Oz. Look at this. Complimentary toiletries. Soaps in there. Shower gels. Not bad. Shower bath. Alright, let's have a look outside.
I'm bouncing on the bed.
Oh, the balcony's huge. There's a pool. This isn't the main pool. There's a main pool, which is massive with slides and stuff. But each block is like this.
Can we go in the
And then each block has its own private pool.
Oh, no, it does have two pools, Mummy. So what you on about?
Yeah, that's splash pool over there.
Exactly. Two pools.
So, this is us. Lacey's got Operation what?
Operation Can you?
You sure you don't have... that's not got alcohol in it, is that? You seem a bit... No idea what she's going on about. Oh right, okay. Right guys, before we end today's vlog, we've arrived late but we still managed to make some of the entertainment. Kian is on the pina colada, non-alcoholic may I add before someone reports me, and Lacey is on San Francisco. Mine and the mummy is a bit alcoholic.
I had to go to the bar 3 times to find something that I like, and then they didn't put any alcohol in it.
By the way, if you didn't know, this was the dome. This is where the entertainment is. It's in a big dome. Quite pleasant, to be honest. You sure you're not drunk? Lace, go back on the stage and what was this you was doing? Go and show me. Go and show me. Good morning. First morning of our holiday bobs. And we're trying to find the toothpaste so I can clean my teeth.
I'm not, I'm out in this place.
We're going to show you the view now. Obviously we turned up when it was dark last night, so here is our little complex in the daylight. The sun is gradually coming through those clouds. It's only about 8 o'clock. And like I said on last night, each of these little blocks have their own private pool. The main pool is literally just behind that building because we went to it last night, so it's literally just behind there. We're going to show you that in a bit. We're going to get some breakfast in a minute. The kids are already arguing. Shock.
No, not. I'm going to the pool in the morning.
Should we go in the pool right now?
Yeah. Wait, can we get
I want to
some
clean my
now?
teeth and I want breakfast. I'm hungry.
Can we get...
I'm going to go for a bit of a walk round this morning, see where things are. The back gate is just over there, pointing with my toothbrush. Back gate is just down there past the entertainment to get out so we can walk down to the beach. So we're going to show you the beach. Actually, looking around last night, it was all dark, so we're going to have a walk around this morning. Apparently this hotel complex is huge, it's like a little village. There's 16 swimming pools in total, including those little splash pools, if you can just see it.
16?
Over there, point with my toothbrush.
Your toothbrush.
We're going to do a vlog, me and the K-Dog, where we're going to jump in every single one of the pools. Aren't we, boy? Yeah. Lacey, down. Told you about climbing. If you fly over that balcony, your head's going to go
Superman!
My guys just come down for a first walk, come down to the beach. This is the Papagayo Beach, I think it's called.
No, this isn't the Papagayo Beach. The
Oh.
Papagayo Beach is further down there than I'm
Oh, well this is a beach.
This is the better beach.
No, the Papagayo Beach is meant to be really good.
Crystal clear waters, look at this.
I'm not falling, I did my teeth.
I think we need to get on one of these pedalo boats at some point. Oh, we just brought some pegs because it's quite windy on this island. Some pegs to hold the towels on the sunbeds. And we just had to pick up some new clips for our snorkel mask because we broke them in the suitcase.
Turn it round. I'm not going to lie, the sea's freezing.
No,
It's making me cold.
makes you sink.
Making me need a wig.
Once you stood here for a bit in it, once you get out in it,
Oh yeah, get out of it, yeah.
go on, get your legs out for the lads. Get your legs out for the lads.
Already got my legs out, you did. Don't show the viewers my white legs, show them my brown legs later. Later on in the week when it's nice and light.
We're really white at the minute. Oh, I found a bar to watch Derby County versus Huddersfield on first game of the season. I'm going to the Irish bar over there because they're showing the football. I don't think they're going to show that at the hotel.
So we're hitting the town, aren't we, that night?
We're in the town that
I'm having
night.
a cocktail. I found a gym bar.
Yeah.
I'm having a gym.
Lacey's going clubbing.
Yeah, Lacey's going clubbing, aren't you, Lace?
I'm stuck.
Having a bit of a rave up.
Keane's stuck in the sand. See you in a bit, K-Dog. Look at this view, guys. How gorgeous is this?
To be fair, it's actually not that bad when you've been in it a while.
Now we've actually been to Lanzarote before, but it was before we started vlogging on YouTube. So when we came, it was further down that way to the Iberostar. Past, you go down there, you come to the town and the marina. We'll have a walk down there at some point, have a look at the old hotel we've been to before. So if anyone's been to the Iberostar, comment below.
Oh my god,
So late.
No! You are not coming to.
There's no waves. It's great.
Because it's like man-made, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I said to Kian. Right, we actually made the mistake of not checking the time zone on my phone. Even though there is no time zone for Lanzarote compared to England, my phone decided to jump an hour. So when I was at the pool, we thought it was 6 o'clock, and really it was only 5 o'clock. So we're rushing around to get ready to come out for dinner, thinking it was like 7:30 or 7:45 by the time we came out, and really it was only 5:45. Dinner doesn't open till 7, so we're too early. And now we're just sitting waiting for dinner. What are you having for dinner today, Lee? I bet she's having pasta or rice or chips.
Oh, yes.
What are you going to have? The wife's calling.
Lacey, can you see any other people in there?
There's no.
We didn't want to be the only ones in there. There's likely loads. And tonight's view is rock. This is our view from the dinner table. Hey? Okay, go and get me a beer. Actually saying that, there's a nice breeze here. It's been about 34 degrees today outside. We've got a nice breeze by the window, so it's probably a good place to sit. Scrap that plan, we just had to move. There was an ant's nest on the floor because someone dropped his chicken drumstick. So we moved table. Hey?
It wasn't because of that.
I know it wasn't. There was already an ant's nest there, I just didn't realise. No, it might be crawling up your leg. Because you didn't know. When I was in Portugal, those in my trainers, it might be in yours. Might have ants in your pants. Right, K-Dog has gone for pizza slice, chicken drumsticks and some stale cheese. And what did we say about Lacey? She'll go for the pasta, which she has. Right, finally got mine. Gone for chicken drumsticks, bit of salad and potato croquette fingers. It's the end of the night when she's fast asleep on the chair. She's tired. Nanami, love you. She's already asleep. subscribe, like, hit that bell. You know the score. See you tomorrow. Lanzarote.